Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech4Gamers. Today I'm back with another Honor of Kings tutorial and we are learning how to change graphic settings in Honor of Kings game. If you're experiencing lag, frame drops or blurry visuals while playing Honor of Kings, then you can simply follow the step-by-step tutorial and customize your graphic settings to match your phone's or device's performance. First of all, to get started, launch open the Honor of Kings game on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the main home screen of Honor of Kings, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner, and then this will open up the settings menu. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, go to the left hand side and tap on graphics. Now under graphics, go to graphic mode option and then select your preferred graphic quality. If you are on low-end devices, then make sure to choose the performance mode option. If you have a medium device and you want balanced visual and performance, you can go to quality mode. Similarly, if you want the best visuals, then it requires a powerful device, and if your device meets the requirement, then you can also choose the ultra quality mode option. If you select custom, then you can go ahead and select your effect quality according to your preference, George quality, hero rendering, etc. Go ahead and select the options depending upon your preference, and with this you'll be able to change your graphic quality on Honor of Kings. Now, you can also change the frame rate settings. Go to the top of the same screen and look for FPS. If you choose standard under FPS, then this is better for saving your battery while playing the game. If you want higher FPS for smoother gameplay, higher battery uses, then you can go and try out other options such as higher, ultra or max. Similarly, go to the resolution tab and then select the resolution option depending upon your device's type. And finally, after adjusting the settings under graphics, you can go ahead and get back to the game, and that way you have successfully adjusted your graphic settings in Honor of Kings. Changing graphic settings in Honor of Kings is a simple but powerful way to improve your gaming experience. Whether you want smoother performance or stunning visuals, adjusting these settings help you play comfortably on any devices. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.